Only a genius can answer these riddles. If I drink, I die. If I eat, I will grow. What am I? Answer is fire. What room has no door or windows? Answer is mushroom. I am a color, but you can eat me. What am I? Answer is orange. You are my brother, but I am not your brother. Who am I? Answer is sister. What starts with an E but only has a single letter in it? Answer is an envelope. I become smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? Answer is soap. I have no feathers, but I fly at night and sleep by day. What am I? Answer is bat.
I am a son of an ocean and a friend of a food. What am I? Answer is salt.
You see me in one of the 4 seasons. I am cold and I fall to the ground like rain. What am I? Answer is snow.
A grandfather, 2 fathers and 2 sons went to the movie theater together and everyone bought 1 movie ticket each. How many tickets did they buy in total? Three. The grandfather is also a father and the father is also a son. If the zookeeper had 100 pairs of animals in her zoo and if 2 pairs of babies are born for each and every one of the original animals, and then sadly 23 animal don't survive, how many animals do you have left in total? $977 animals. A duck was given $9. A spider was given $36. A bee was given $27. Based off of this information, How much money would be given to a cat? $18, $4.50 per leg. I can be scary, I can be entertaining. I cover my face so it will be impossible for you to recognize me, and I create animals from plastic. Who am I? Answer is A. Clown.
I am the unreachable boundary, yet the place you wish to go, I run away as you approach. But I am always there. What am I? Answer is the horizon.
There are 10 bombs on the ground. One bomb explodes. How many bombs are there left? None. Because, when that one bomb exploded, it caused the rest of the bombs to explode.
If you buy a rooster for the purpose of laying eggs and you expect to get 3 eggs each day for breakfast, how many eggs will you have after 3 weeks? Zero. Roosters do not lay eggs. A cell phone and phone case cost $110 in total. The cell phone costs $100 more than the phone case. How much was the cell phone? $105, not $110.
There was a man driving a truck. There was a woman standing in front of the truck. The truck had no lights on and the moon was not up. How did the man see the woman? It was daytime.
What water can you eat and chew? Answer is watermelon.
We are thousands in numbers and we dive into water all at once. What are we? Answer is rice grains.